I'd like to welcome y'all back for another part of your Bio 101 lecture. And what we're going to be talking about in this section are bacteria and archaea, and also we're going to throw in biofilms real quickly. And these are not films about biology. Now, both bacteria and archaea are single-celled organisms. Because of the similarities between these two groups, they were once thought to be the same thing, and that archaea were just one type of bacteria, and that both of these were prokaryotes. But eventually, it was determined that archaea were more closely related to eukaryotes. Now, bacteria and archaea are the smallest and most metabolically diverse life forms that we are aware of, and they can be found pretty much everywhere. So let's look at some of the similarities between the two groups. Now, neither group have much in terms of an internal framework except for some protein filaments that reinforce the general structure. The cytoplasm of the cells contain many ribosomes or organelles upon which the polypeptides are assembled. The cytoplasm also contains plasmids or small circles of DNA that carry a few genes and can provide advantages to each, such as resistance to antibiotics. Now, the rest of the DNA is located in one large circular-shaped DNA molecule located in the nucleoid of the cell. Surrounding the plasma membrane is a cell wall that provides rigidity and shape to the cell. Most archaea cell walls consist of proteins, while most bacterial cell walls consist of a polymer of peptides and polysaccharides. Both types of cell walls are permeable to water, so it is easy for dissolved substances to pass through. Some bacteria and archaea have protein filaments called pili, which project from the surface, which help these cells either move across a surface or cling to a surface. Many also have flagella, which are long, slender cellular structures that are used for motion. Now, sometimes bacterial cells can live so close together that an entire community of bacteria will share a layer of secreted polysaccharides and proteins. This communal living arrangement that appears to be a layer of slime is called biofilm. This is often attached to a solid surface and can consist of algae, fungi, protista, and or archaea. Now, this biofilm is useful because it can actually help a mass of cells stay at a particular place. Like if you were trying to stay at a place in a river, individual cells or individual bacteria and protista and archaea may just be swept away by the water. But by staying together in a mass and having this in this biofilm configuration, it can actually help them stay in a particular location and not get swept away by the current. The bacteria and others also can gain some benefit just by living together, such as allowing others to attach and make the group bigger. They can help break down toxic chemicals that would kill a single organism, and also the waste products of some will serve as food for others. Okay, well that's pretty gross, but I guess it actually is beneficial if you like poop. But anyway, just know what biofilms are. Bacteria and archaea, single-celled organisms that are similar but different. Okay.